Hello, everyone. My name is Andrew Garner, and I'm excited to present my project, Shopwheel, which is an AI-powered shopping assistant. And we all know that the problem with traditional online shopping is that it relies heavily on rigid keyboard searches, and it ends up with opening dozens of tabs just to find out what we need. So the solution I've developed in my project is an intuitive chat interface that understands natural language and curates live results to simplify this process. So when I was building my capstone project, my focusing question was, how can we develop an AI powered product binder that uses a pre-trained LLM to translate natural language into searchable queries. So I wanted a bot that allows to automatically find and add relevant products from the web for budget concise students and time strapped professionals. And ultimately, I need to eliminate the need for manual administrative data entry with that. So, what exactly is Shopville? Well, Shopville is an AI-powered product binder that is designed to eliminate friction in the e-commerce experience. It addresses major inefficiencies such as manual search, product overload, and scatter wish lists. And the system serves as a centralized product binder where users can interact with the Shopville Gemini, which is an AI assistant bot in my in my in my project. And unlike traditional setups, the my AI bot actually actively translates the natural language into searchable queries instead of relying on a static database. It goes out to find and automatically adds items directly into the user's binder, and this unique approach allows the catalog to dynamically expand based on their user intent and search history. So to make this happen, these are the tools that I've used right here. So for the front end development, I used HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, and I got assistance from the Visual Studio Copilot. And then for the backend service, I relied on my database of Google Firebase. And then for the AI machine, I used the Google Gemini API for its natural language processing. So let's get into the brains of the operation. So the core technology powering Shopville is the Google Gemini assistant. So how it works is that the system uses NLP to translate queries into JSON and prefers real-time Amazon web scraping from that site. And the result is that the bot automatically finds and adds relevant products from the web for budget for people that are budget concise and time-strapped professionals. More importantly, it's also designed to eliminate the need for any manual administrative data entry. And then just looking for ahead for the future, I do have some several exciting plans for my project. So what I'm looking forward to is I'm hoping to enable my Gemini bot to automatically fetch and seek items from other external sites such as Walmart and Target into the binder. And then I'm also going to try to continue to expand it by allowing the catalog to grow based purely on the user intent and search history. And then I'm also trying to have a goal to build upon the core features that can provide seamless product discovery experiences for the users. So with that, it's time to learn. It's time to learn and dive through what my Shopville capstone project is really about. So let's jump right into the demo. So here is the login page. So let me go ahead and log in. I'm going to type in as the admin because that is essentially like my primary user account since I created this. So here is the home page right here. This one right here, you have your chat interface right here. We also have your cart right here if you want to add items. And then there's also some quick actions like the history of your payment, your favorite items you saved, and then also a little chat to sheet, the chat to chat thing where you can chat with other users. And then right here, I have two shopping bots. One is the Gemini. This one scrapes the data. And this one, if you just want to go traditional. So let's start with the regular one. So this is my regular shop bot. So like if people want to stay traditional, um, they can more welcome to use that to accommodate that. And here, right down here is the button, some quick accessible buttons right here. But the ones I want to really show you is these three right here. These are the mystery boxes right here. So if we go ahead and do a mystery basic box, so and then ta-da, the mystery box, um, just for about an average price. It takes takes a lottery pick for these prizes, and then if we go up another price set, we can do a premium box. So now the user won this item right here, and then if they want to go high end, they can do mystery ultra, and then they won this price, and it automatically adds it to their cart. If they're uh, if they want the AI to tell what their total is, they can click on the cart total. See, it's about $100, $1,200. They can also click clear cart as well. And then to the Gemini bot, here's the fun. Here's the most fun. So let's say that's so I'm looking for Amazon laptops from Amazon. So you see, uh, all my products have been searched from Amazon. And let's say I want to compare it. So I want to say, can you compare? So the Gemini bot, it compared it for you. And let's say that, can you, uh, let's say I want this one right here to my cart. So you see the Gemini bot, it added it to my cart for me. And say, can you favorite? And then it favored the Chromebook based on from this list right here. And then my favorites list, here's my favorites list right here. And then this is the item that the Gemini bot added to my cart. And then the last thing I want to point out is my chat interface. So this is where you can add users on here. And then this is where they can just have a chit chat right here. Type in. And then Gartnia, that's my Miami email. We'll get the email from there. Then this is the admin panel. And this is all the items I added for people who want to use the regular shopping cart. And then my action feed to track any logs. And then this is the active users for my shopping site. So hopefully you really enjoyed my capstone project, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.